Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be making plantain moi moi. If you want to see that, let's go there. And this is the plantain I will be using, ripe plantain. This is fresh pepper, bell pepper, onions, and this is beans flour, just 3 spoons. This is palm oil. I will be using 4 eggs, and this is Maggie and crayfish. We start by peeling off the back. So we are going to be posting some news sometimes and posting food also. You know, when you are eating, you'll be watching news. It's more fun. So I will place everything in a blender and blend them very well, very smooth. I will add a little bit water, not too much, just a little glass of water. You see the way it's very smooth? This is how you will blend it. So at this moment I will be adding Maggie, and some salt. This is the beans flour. I'll be adding it now. Like I said before, it's just 3 spoons, 3 tablespoons. So we are going to mix well. So we are going to add the crayfish. You can use the big crayfish if you like, but I will use these little ones. We call it baby crayfish. baby crayfish. So we'll be adding palm oil. So I'm going to slice the egg into 2. So this is the jar I will be using. This is made with wax paper. You can use any jar of your choice. I'll be placing the egg on top. So I will be covering it with this foil paper or wax paper, anyone, so it will be secured. At this point in time, you place it in a pot or fry pan, then cook for 20 minutes or 25 minutes. As you can see, our moi moi is ready. Our plantain moi moi is ready.